7 facts about avocados. 1. Nutrient-rich. Avocados are a nutrient-dense fruit, packed with vitamins and minerals. They are an excellent source of healthy fats, including monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. 2. Versatile culinary ingredient. Avocados are highly versatile in the kitchen and can be used in a variety of dishes. They can be mashed into guacamole, sliced and added to salads, blended into smoothies, or spread on toast as a healthy and delicious alternative to butter or mayonnaise. 3. High in fiber. Avocados are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy digestive system. Including avocados in your diet can contribute to improved bowel regularity. 4. Antioxidant content. Avocados contain various antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants help protect the body against oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall health. 5. Potential health benefits. Consuming avocados has been associated with several potential health benefits. Studies have suggested that avocados may help promote weight management, improve insulin sensitivity, support eye health, and reduce inflammation in the body. 6. Natural source of potassium. Avocados are an excellent source of potassium, an essential mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining proper heart function, nerve signaling, and muscle contractions. Consuming avocados can contribute to a healthy electrolyte balance in the body. 7. Satiety and weight management. The high fiber and healthy fat content in avocados can help promote feelings of fullness and satisfaction after a meal. Including avocados in your diet may help control appetite and support weight management goals. It's worth noting that while avocados offer many health benefits, they are also relatively high in calories compared to other fruits and vegetables. Moderation and portion control are essential when incorporating avocados into a well-balanced diet.